Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Imagine a juicy steak, perfectly seared on the outside, tender on the inside, accompanied by an array of vibrant, crispy vegetables. This is the delicious meal you're about to master. We're talking about a succulent steak dish, flavored with onions, potatoes, carrots, green peppers, and tomatoes, all seasoned to perfection. This culinary delight is not only a feast for your palate, but also a visual treat. So get ready to impress your taste buds and those of your loved ones with this mouth-watering steak and vegetable dish. First, gather all your ingredients. Freshness is key, so ensure your steak and vegetables are top quality. Now, let's walk through this delightful symphony of flavors. You'll need a large, finely chopped onion, a kilo of quality steak, 2 peeled and cubed potatoes. Add to that a large carrot, peeled and sliced, 2 green bell peppers cut into strips, and 2 ripe tomatoes sliced. Season it all with salt and pepper to taste, and a teaspoon of mixed spices. Lastly, you'll need olive oil for frying. Remember, this dish is highly customizable. Feel free to use different types of vegetables to add extra flavor and nutrition. Onions, for instance, can be sliced and sautéed with the steak for a distinctive flavor. Green and red peppers add a pop of color and a unique taste. Mushrooms, sliced and sautéed with the steak, contribute a rich flavor and a distinctive texture. Potatoes can be fried or roasted and served alongside the steak for a unique texture and taste. Carrots, sliced thin and sautéed with the steak, bring a sweet flavor and lovely color. Experiment with different combinations and arrangements of vegetables to prepare a scrumptious and nutritious steak meal. With your ingredients ready, you're set to start cooking this tantalizing dish. Now, the fun truly begins. Heat your olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. This is where all the flavors will come together to create a dish that's not only eye-catching, but also bursting with flavor. Once your oil is hot, it's time to introduce the onions. Don't just drop them in, instead let them sachet into the pan. Give them a stir and let them dance in the heat until they turn transparent and evenly colored. Listen to the sizzle, the sound of culinary magic happening right before your ears. But onions shouldn't dance alone. It's time to invite the steak slices to join the party. Add them to the pan and let them mingle with the onions. You want to ensure they're seared on all sides, sealing in all the moisture and flavor. Let the steak get a nice, rich brown crust. It's not just about the taste, it's about the texture too. Next, we're adding a vibrant splash of color to our pan with diced potatoes and carrot slices. Stir them in with the steak, allowing them to soak up all that delicious flavor. Don't rush this process. Let them get a little golden, a little crispy on the edges. Now it's time for the green bell peppers and tomato slices to join the mix. Stir them in, watch as the colors in your pan become even more vibrant, even more inviting. Once all the ingredients have had their chance to mingle, it's time to season. A sprinkle of salt, a dash of pepper, and a teaspoon of mixed spices. Stir it all together, ensuring every ingredient is coated, every flavor is enhanced. Finally, cover the pan and let it simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is where the magic happens, where the flavors truly meld together. Once your steak is seared and your vegetables are delightfully crisp, it's time to season and simmer. The result? A steak and vegetable dish that's as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. Bon appétit! The final step is to season your dish and let it simmer, allowing all the flavors to beautifully blend together. Now it's time to bring out the flavor of your dish with a sprinkle of mixed spices, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. This blend of seasonings will not only enhance the flavors, but also add a layer of complexity that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Once you've seasoned your dish, give it a good stir to ensure that the spices are evenly distributed. Then, cover your pan and let your dish simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This simmering process is crucial as it allows the flavors to meld and the vegetables to soften, resulting in a dish that's hearty, flavorful, and utterly satisfying. And there you have it, a delectable steak and vegetable dish that's sure to impress. Serve it hot with rice or bread and enjoy the fruits of your culinary prowess. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.